focusing on narcolepsy, thanks to a listener sharing his story. This seems to be like the most life-threatening of the lot. So what does it mean to be narcoleptic?
Narcolepsy patients have excessive daytime sleepiness, and they suddenly would fall asleep during the daytime without any warning. And then when they sleep, it will be around 10 to 20 minutes, and it can happen a few times a day. So it can be life-threatening in the sense that, imagine someone, driving and then suddenly fall asleep while driving, and it can be very dangerous to the patient, also to the other motorists on the road. And imagine, let's say someone is actually working on a machine, heavy machine, working on a tractor and has narcolepsy. It can be dangerous to the narcolepsy patients.
Yeah, carry on.
Sorry. The other features of narcolepsy are some of them actually might have a temporary loss of muscle, for which they just suddenly fall down without any warning.
Is that because they're like literally falling asleep on their feet? Is that what's happening?
Yes, something like that. There are two features on it. There are two features. One is suddenly falling asleep without falling down. Another one is actually falling asleep and falling down at the same time.
Is that kind of similar to what happens when you faint?
It looks similar, but there are differences. First of all, the causes are different. And fainting, it can be, the triggers may be different. The fainting can be triggered by, seeing blood on the floor,
right.
hot weather, getting very emotionally upset. Person might, receiving bad news, person might faint. But usually when someone faints, it will last probably about 5-10 minutes. And the person cannot remember what happens during the fainting episode. Whereas narcolepsy is different. The person might be falling asleep, but not able to talk or move. But the person actually remembers that event, just that the person can't talk or move during that period of time. And the duration is a bit different. It's about 10 to 20 minutes, and it can happen a few times a day. Fainting does not usually happen a few times a day. Yeah.
Right.